So see here, sir. This is a normal file, text file I uploaded here. You just copy the code and try to run. Maybe sometimes we'll get the problems. You go here. We have the data. These type of symbols together. These type of cases will get the problem because I not mobile compatibility things. You will get from here only these type of situations. And when we will support it, sir, normally data in our mobiles computers, ANSI support or ASCII code is available format. If you change the file saving format with unique code, then it will works. Even in my system also I have the same problem. Suppose when I'm using that special characters like that, if I go for the save, sir, it's asking separately one small message. This file contains some special symbols, how to save. By default, our files are always saving with the ASCII or ANSI format because normal English we are using ANSI, ANSI or ASCII, ASCII code format. But the type of special characters ASCII code not supported. Unique code is supported. So a file save as extension is available that you have to change as the unique code. But all these things mobile, so no gada, that's the problem. So without knowing that all, I'm not going to uploading, sir. But we can't do that one. No solution for that. Otherwise, I have to delete again that all the lines, balance lines, I have to upload it. But balance lines, if I upload it, sir, one student dropping, sir, half program I uploaded, sir. Common gada. So occasionally try to use the computers, not daily mobiles. So everything mobile not supported, sir. Everything now developing in mobile is not possible. I think maybe comments like that only. It's working. Adi mobile. Mirena. Okay. Symbols problem, sir. Who are facing that problem? That is the symbols problem. Okay, now back to the current explanations. Box shadow. It's one of the CSS attribute. And what is the use, sir? To display the shadows for your shapes. Either rectangle shape or triangle shape or square or oval or circle. What are the shape available on web page? For that shape, we can project the shadow. What is shadow, sir? See bottom of you have the shadows also. Your chair shadow, your leg shadow, your hair shadow, your hand shadow, your shadow. So the same shadows we are going to producing here. In drawing format, it is called as the projection. Same in our BTech drawing point of view, it's called as the projections. That any direction we can project it, sir. 4 directions projections are comes. One upper diagonal, right side diagonal, left side diagonal, bottom side diagonal, and bottom right side diagonal. 4 corners we can project the shadow. Otherwise, 360 degrees we can project the shadow based on our requirement. So yesterday, Facebook, which corner we have the shadow? We observed the Facebook login screen. Gada. Which corner we have the shadow? Left side. Sure, huh? Right side. Remember or not remember yesterday Facebook login page? Shadow is there. Gada. Which direction shadow displaying? You want to show again, huh? Right. Try to respond here. Don't see it like as ideal status. We are human beings, gada. So try to open the mouths. For better, for your safety, not my safety. Hussain Sagar Buddha statue is there, na? If I go, what is HTML? What is CSS? But we are not Buddha statues. Human beings kada. Open the mouth, try to respond. The right answer or wrong answer, leave it. First attempt the point. Attempting the point main important. Right answer or wrong answer, don't think. Now bolo, all of you, which side shadow is there? Right side. Sure. I'll show once, check it. Huh? All four corners we have the shadow. Not only right side. Four corners shadow is there. Otherwise, sir, we can produce the shadow in this angle only. Or we can produce the shadow only this angle. Or we can produce the shadow bottom diagonal, left side, or right side bottom. So the which side the shadow is comes, sir, it depends upon our measurements, the coordinates. What are the coordinates are we are giving? As per that one, the shadow position is going to existing. So right now, I think Facebook is displaying the all four corners shadow. Now the syntax is like this, how to use box shadow, colon, write the measurements. One is x-axis pixels, second one is y-axis pixels. X-axis, how much you want to project the shadow. In y-axis, how much you want to project the shadow. What is this x-axis or y-axis are? Like as our graph sheets are. Horizontally, how much distance you want to project the shadow. Vertically, how much distance you want to project the shadow. Instead of that one, better go for the x coordinate and y coordinate, because all of you, we have some mathematics knowledge, easy to follow. This is x coordinate and this is y coordinate. And both are pluses. X coordinate, y coordinate, both are the pluses. But which side the shadow is comes, sir? Bottom right side shadow comes. Bottom right side. Bottom right side the shadow is comes. So if I go for the both minuses, shadow direction changing. Total four corners. Corner 1, corner 2, 3 and 4. Same as to your quadrants are. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant available. Ekkada? Amirpet. Graph sheet lo first quadrant, second quadrant available. Two pluses, in which quadrant it will comes? First two. Two minuses, third or fourth? Third. First minus, second plus. First one negative, second one positive. And x-axis negative, y-axis positive. Second, x-axis positive, y-axis negative. Mali second. Maths కూడా బాగా strong అనుకుంటా. A quadrants, this example very link is available, sir, so much. When I'm giving the two pluses, sir, bottom right side shadow is comes. When I'm giving the both minuses, sir, top left side shadow is comes. Top left side. Like that, one plus one minus, sir. Bottom right, the name under bottom left, but again top right. So as per your negatives to positive values, so shadow positions are changing. That's a quadrant point attached. Reasons are same type of thing we have in a graph sheet quadrants also. X-axis horizontal available, y-axis vertically available. One quadrant to two pluses available, one quadrant to two minuses available, plus minus minus plus. Same style our CSS also following. So I'll show in an example. This is, if I want to get the shadow four corners, sir, we have to write total four coordinates, clockwise direction. Clockwise direction, write the four quadrants. Quadrant 1, the X, Y no kada. Some pixel 1, pixel 2, pixel 3, pixel 4. Clockwise direction, it is applying your shadow. How our wall clock rotating, a clockwise direction, four corners, it is applying the shadow as per these your given measurements. But what about the color, sir? Color is the last argument, sir. Here we have to write the color. And here also we have to write the color. First write the measurements and then specify the colors. Same information, just copy pasting for text shadow also. Same syntax, same information, just copy pasting. Change the box with the shadow. Rest of all the information as it is. Property name just change it. It is applying the shadow for your data. It is applying the shadow for your shapes. See the implementation will get something better awareness. So this is our yesterday's paragraph. I'm continuing that paragraph with the background color, but I don't want any borders. Just a small paragraph with a background color. Why background color also we are using, sir? A shadow effect, if you want to understand, background color available, it's easy to identify. Background color not available, sir. A Facebook you got confusion whether shadow is there or not. Same confusion is comes. So first time we are attempting whether easy way understanding will follow. So take some of the background color, some blue. Once check this program. This is our paragraph. Now apply the shadow. Box hyphen shadow colon 3 pixels 3 pixels. X-axis projection 3 pixels, Y-axis projection 3 pixels. Colors are by default black color it will comes. By default black color. There we have the shadow. Observe the shadow. The edge observe this bottom of this keyword. Where is the shadow actual point, sir? The shadow actual point. A black box is your shadow. One diagonal it will comes based on your measurements. Both places, bottom, right diagonal. I'll go for the bottom, sorry, two minuses. X-axis minus, Y-axis also minus. So now I'll get the top side. Top left diagonal will get the shadow here. Next to first one minus, second one plus. Down, down, down. First one minus, second one plus, down. Next to first one positive, next one negative, sir. The top corner will get it. Shadow. Now we can apply the color for the shadow, sir. Black instead of take any other color. Blue I am applying. So you will get the picture like this. The one corner shadow. Paragraphs applied. Can I apply the same type of shadow for images, sir? Why not, sir? Everything is possible. Same measurement, I just copy pasted for image. Same measurement for image, the image shadow. Image also they have the shadow. So x-axis 5 pixels, so y-axis 3 pixels, different measurements. And change the color also here. Both sides uniformly not comes shadow because the different measurements. It look like a same, huh? Both sides, but not in my system. My system different available. Because one memo 5 pixel, x-axis 5 pixel, y-axis 3 pixel. So left side will get the more shadow, bottom side will get the less shadow. But the projector and the variety displaying same as size. A projector problem. In my system, exactly as per my code only it is displaying. Next, I'm just taking the heading tag, applying the shadow for the 4 corners. 4 corners shadow we are going to apply. So 2 pixels, 2 pixels, 3 pixels and 5 pixels. Shadow comes the 4 corners, round the tag. Round the tag we have the shadow. H1 tag background color white color. A white color around we have the red color border. Visible a shadow clearly now. Facebook also we have the same thing, but they use it very light color. That's it's not clearly appear to us. Next, what about the data, sir? Same thing for data also. Text shadow. So 3 pixels, 3 pixels, positive directions. Naresh Technologies. Now for Naresh Technologies, shadow comes. Text shadow. This also direction changing. If you are changing the positive and negative values, as per that directions are going to change. Can I project the shadow long distance, sir? Why not? The distance increased, that's all. So these are the another scenarios we have to use the colors. At the same time, we are also learn some designing of special effects of the shadows. For every tag, we can apply these, sir. Already 3 tags I covered, sir. Paragraphs I applied, images I applied, and H1 tag also I applied. Based on that one, rest of all the tags also you can follow. That's not a problem. Next one. In the same program, I'm going to covering one more CSS attribute. So what is that, sir? Border, yesterday we discussed already. Border, drawing the line. But for that lines, we can also set the radiuses also. Radius also we can set it. What is the use to set the radius for border, sir? Like as our mobile screen, it curves comes. Yesterday image, remember the other? Okay, today also we have the image. Image edges observe, sharp edges available. Image 4 edges, so we have sharp edges, sharp. But like as our mobiles, I need the curve like this, sir. This curve is called as the radius. How much radius you want to apply, sir? You can set your own measurements, sir. 5 pixels, 10 pixels, 30 pixels. As per the given measurement, the edge is going to cutting. So we'll get the rounded edges or curved edges. For that, the separate attribute is there. It's called as border radius. Border radius. Yesterday discussed concept, just border, how to draw the box. And now how to apply the curves for that box. Border radius. So use it to draw curved edges or rounded edges. The purpose of this attribute is this one. And how to use it, sir? As usual, border radius syntax colon, how much curve you require, write the curve. Measurement, type 5 pixels or 10 pixels, how much cutting you require. You can give any number of pixels, minimum 1 pixel, maximum your interest. So n pixel. But what is this n pixel meaning, sir? మన mobiles 4 corners we have uniform cutting or 4 corners for different cuttings? Same cuttings ఏ కదా. ఇప్పుడు 4 corners applying the same margin. A n pixel, how much you given, same applying for 4 corners, you get the uniformity shape. For 4 corners, sir. No, sir, 2 corners, one side style, 2 corners, one style required, sir. Diagonally, 2 corners, one size. Another 2 corners, some different size required, sir. It is not available in our mobiles. మన గిఫ్ట్ ఆర్టికల్స్ అయితే అవైలబుల్. గిఫ్ట్ ఆర్టికల్స్ లాంగ్ బ్యాక్ నోకియా వన్ మొబైల్ అవైలబుల్ లైక్ యాజ్ లీఫ్ షేప్ అన్నమాట. ఇక్కడ దిస్ సో మచ్ కర్వ్ అవైలబుల్ హియర్ సో మచ్ కర్వ్ అవైలబుల్, దీస్ టూ ఎడ్జెస్ కర్వ్ నాట్ అవైలబుల్. Nokia one model is there like that. So like that we can create here, sir, with different curves instead of routine pattern. A B C D M N O. First M pixel, next to N pixels. What is the meaning of this, sir? M pixels for 2 corners, N pixels for 2 corners. Total 4 edges kada. In that M for 2 edges. Next N for 2 edges. But which corners we don't know, sir. I'll say, sir, I'll explain that one. Wait. We'll go for the paintbrush. So take the picture here. Actually, we'll get the shapes like this, but our expectation is this one. Get a curved shape is available. Observe together. This is curved shape. But all 4 corners we have the uniform curve. See that one. Get how much curve available? The same curve here, and the same curve here, and the same curve here. The first syntax. So n pixel for all corners. Next one, sir. I need some different curves, sir. So this is 0.1. This is 0.2, this is 0.3, and this is 0.4, right? But M measurement I given kada. M is for 2 corners. Which 2 corners, sir? 1 and 3. M for 1 and 3. N pixel also available. Second syntax. This is for, sir, 2 and 4. Diagonally applying. Diagonally. Like this. So this is your M pixel. This is MO and this is NO. Applying style is that one. If you go for more deep, sir, 4 corners, 4 variety sizes also possible. Every corner different size required, sir. I accepting. That is not a problem. So when you are giving only one measurement, the same measurement applying for all corners. When you are giving the two measurements, sir, first measurement x first line, second measurement x second line. Alphabet x shape it is applying. When you are giving the 4 measurements, sir, 4 measurements, 4 edges, it is going to apply. Now see practically also. We'll apply for image because very effectively displaying. Well, paragraphs, headings, and its cutting and art also we are unable to identify because heading tag white color, background color is also white. Image, sir, clear picture is comes. They be easy to identify. I'm displaying another image, jeep.jpg with the width of 400 pixels common, and the style border radius I want to apply it, border hyphen radius, and what is the measurement for the radius, sir? 5 pixels required. Now see the picture. I edges only observe it, sir. Edges only if you observe it, curve is there. 5 pixels covered very slightly it will comes. Not displaying properly, sir. Okay, 35. 4 corners, 35, 35, 35. 4 corners. Visible together now. Now also not visible. Next, same one more picture I am taking here. I need different, sir. 2 edges one size, another 2 edges another size. So one edge 50 pixels, space another edge 100 pixels. With a different shape is comes. The shape differently comes instead of routine. The Nokia one model available, same shape is available, mobile shape. Number not remembering, sir. Jeep shape available, second Jeep shape, same shape, mobile is also available. Tomorrow I will share that number. 7610 na, maybe. Exactly I am not remember, sir. Okay. Next, our cricket players profiles photos observed anytime. ICC, IPL or something. Players photos circle shape becomes observed. Image, but it displaying in the circle shape. How it will come, sir? The same radius, if you increase it little bit, circle comes automatically. Width by half, automatically circle comes. Mathematics formula ne. Width by half. Half value you apply for the radius, sir. Automatically circle forming. So see the next one. Single measurement I am taking, not multiple measurement. So what is my current width of the image, sir? 400 and 400 width and height. If you take the half of the width, sir, automatically circular shape is comes. Our cricket players photos are displaying like this in team selections, so team members photos. Now can I apply the shade for this one, sir? Shadow. For this circular shape you Jeep, shadow applying possible or not? Shadow possible or not? Possible 100%. No problem. Can I apply the border, sir? Border possible, shadow possible, circle possible. One by one we are discussing. After getting off all this awareness, mix it. Bismillah bath forming. Mixed vegetable biryani comes in, madam. And maybe by mistake, if I missed the point, I am not touched that point. You don't think it's not possible. That's why Shivakumar not combined the two attributes. I'm explaining individually, sir. A individual explanation, 100% we can combine it. Nobody is going to objecting that one. Border, some 6 pixels. Groove. Yeah, try చేద్దాం. One type of border, ridge, 3D border. Okay, now this some CSS attributes completed, sir. Color, background color, border, box shadow, text shadow, and border radius, almost 6 to 7. Next, how to apply the colors in the different pattern. So some of the CSS points we completed here, right? Next one. So we'll take a small gap for the CSS, back to the HTML. Some more HTML tag we are going to continue. Yesterday, no, day before yesterday, no, we completed anchor tag. Now the next tags are list tags. The next coming tags are, next coming topic is list, L-I-S-T, list tags. So what is this list tags, sir? I'll show the live examples, sir. They are using an order. We'll go for once the Flipkart. Go to the bottom of the Flipkart, the very bottom of the Flipkart page. Get a contact to FAQs, something available, right? I'm clicking on one of these options, some payments. What is the payment procedure? What is the system following the Flipkart? They're going to explaining the points neatly here. But we don't need to read this point. The tables concept, your upcoming concept, maybe next week. Tables, this we know already, headings, paragraphs, headings, paragraphs, headings, paragraph. This is your current topic. Maybe list tags. Data available. Data nothing special. Data before some symbol is there, said. That is list tag. Here list of banks available. And if you continue like that, sir, some more times this comes. Right. So in our real life, those called as bullet styles, bullet styles, MS Word. Maybe you are preparing the resumes or project reports, seminar data, points we are adding. Data always not comes in headings. Data always not comes in paragraphs. Sometimes data comes in points wise also. While typing of the data points wise, somebody using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Somebody using these dots. It dots called as the bulletings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is called as the numbering. So we can display the data in points wise. The points, two styles supported, numbering style and bulleting style. But you words remember, numbering, bulleting. MS Word home menu, if you go for, the symbols are available. Bold, italic, besides only numbering and bulleting style is available. That we are going to design. Maybe you are thinking, is it necessary, sir? You are watching the live website, Flipkart, your favorite online shopping website. So one, 2, 3. In single page, they used the 3 times bulleting styles. Especially terms and conditions explanation case. This is leave it, sir. Sir, terms and conditions we are never reading, sir. What you are talking? We don't have that much of time, sir. Terms and conditions you are not reading, but product features you are reading or not? Every product feature explained the Flipkart with bulleting concept only. If you go for any product, open some product here. The product points are main features explained with the bulleting style. See that 512 GB RAM, dot, 6 inches, dot, 12 pixels, dot, A5, dot. The dot all are the list tags only. Dot, sometimes tick symbol is comes. Sometimes arrow symbol is comes. These all are bulletings variety styles. I'll show something also, wait. I can observe now so many mobiles available. Every mobile before what we have? Features. Our features all are bulleting, 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 bulleting. How many times they used the Flipkart list tags? Hundreds of times they used. The one type of bulleting. Another type of bulleting available, that also I'll show. But open this product, sir. Bank offer, sir, comes. That also bulleting style, list tags. But here variety symbol is comes, sir. Just now I said, na, somebody dot, somebody arrow key, somebody tick mark, somebody variety symbols. But here Flipkart using some green color badge style it is using. It is also list tag only. Can you change the symbols, sir? We in HTML supporting to change the symbols as well as CSS also supporting to change the symbols. This is your current topic. Live example over. So we'll go for our example. So topic is working with list. Two types of list available. One is the order list. It's also called as numbering. Second one is the unordered list. It is also called as bulleting. The actual tag names are order list, simple pronunciation, numbering style. Actual tag name unordered list, simple pronunciation, bulleting style. A tag meaning we can take. So first we are starting working with the order list. Order list. The name of the tags are OL. Tag name is OL, full form is order list. Tag name is OL, full form is order list. What is the use of this tag, sir? This tag used to display the points, data displaying points wise with some serial numbers. Some serial numbers means, sir, variety numbering we can display it, sir. Here we have see that one. 1, 2, 3, 4 is possible. Capital ABCD is possible. Small ABCD is possible. Small I and Roman numbers. Small Roman numbers is possible. Upper Roman numbers also possible. Total 5 varieties of numberings are supported by this HTML. I need more, sir. Go to CSS. HTML they are providing their level. You are expecting more than this 5. We have in CSS. Extra models are there. The basic is the next level. OL stands for order list. It is used to display the text. Where we are displaying the text are points wise, sir. Displaying the students' names, displaying the list of colors, displaying the list of teams, displaying the list of colleges, displaying the features, displaying the rules and regulations, displaying the terms and conditions. Like that, so many scenarios we are going to following these things. So basically HTML supports the 5 type of numberings. 1, 2, 3 for decimal numbering, alphabets, lower alphabets, upper alphabets, lower Roman numbers and upper Roman numbers. What is the default, sir? 1, 2, 3 is the default option. But if you are not specified any type of number, system automatically generates the 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't want, sir. Use the attributes, customize it. Attributes is there. For every change, attributes are there. For every customization, attributes are going to supporting. Next, what is the behavior of this tag, sir? Behavior is, it is a paired tag and block level tag. Pair, opening, closing compulsory, block level. Every list is comes in separate line. Every list comes in separate line. Fresh line. Previously paragraphs are block level tags are. Previously heading tags also block level only. So one more block level tag. Next one, sir. OL tag subtag is there, sir. OL's subtag is there. First time we are discussing the parent and child tags officially. Official parent and child. OL is the parent tag. LI is the child tag. Already OL is there. Why we should go for the LI, sir? Different purposes, sir. LI purpose is different. OL purpose is different. What is the difference, sir? LI printing your data. LI tag printing the data points. For that points serial number allotted OL tag. LI printing the points. For these points number allotment is done by the OL tag. So one tag for data printing purpose, one tag for the further data numbers allotment process. But suppose this sitting process available, sir, like a cinema theater, I have to place 100 chairs seating capacity. 100 chairs serial numbers also required, right? But chairs serial number both same person doing chairs arranging plus serial numbers writing back side of the chair or front side of the chair same person. No kada. Chairs alignment ఏమో కార్పెంటర్, సీరియల్ నెంబర్స్ రైటింగ్ ఏమో పెయింటర్ కదా. నేనా మా ఊర్లో అంతే. In my hometown that is only happens. मेरे गाँव the same happens. Chairs are going to designed by the carpenter continuously. Whenever the chairs completed finishing designing, sir, painter is comes and they are going to writing A1, A2, A3, A4, B1, B2, B3, B4. మా ఊళ్ళో జరిగింది. ఇప్పుడు 2 persons available, 1 person LI, 1 person OL, different duties అన్నమాట. డౌట్, డేటా ప్రింటింగ్ OL LI? LI. Numbers allotted by OL. Okay, very good. So what is the relation between these two, sir? OL is the parent tag, sir. LI is the child tag. Another sounding, sir. OL is the main tag. LI is the sub tag. One is the main tag. One is the sub tag. OL main, LI sub tag. And this is the basic syntax. OL is opens. Inside that number of LIs are comes. How many LIs are? How many points you want to print it? That number of LIs. I want to print 20 points, sir. 20 LI tags. And all these 20 LI tags are grouped by the OL tag. This is the syntax to write. And what is the nature of LI tags, sir? LI is also pair tag and LI is also block level. And indirectly, both are paired, both are block level. OL, LI, both are paired and both are block level. And the syntax is this one. First main tag, then subtags. After completion of all the subtags, finally main tag is going to closing. So this is the writing style. Now see the example. First OL tag we have to use, sir. Next LI tag we have to use. The syntax available. So observe this one. OL, OL. I'm just using only OL. What happens, sir? It is alerting the numbering. But for alerting of numbers, is there any points, sir? No. Points not available. The painter came to write the numbering, but chairs not available. Silently going back. So nothing is there on the screen. Number not available because data is not available. When can I use only LI tag, sir? Yes, sir, we can use only LI tag. It printing the data. LI tag's nature is data printing, but numbers not comes. Chairs ready, but painter absent. Data comes, but numbering not comes. So use the both properly, we'll get the better output. OL, OL close. Inside LI, just one LI close. Again LI, 2 LI close. It's just rough examples, sir. Once we'll test it. So points before numbering. By default 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering. It's a default. And now I'm going to taking some points here. What we observed here, the same points. So Xiaomi 11i 5G is the name of the model. So better display outside the order list. It's not a point, the heading. So we have headings knowledge together. Take the heading here and print as a heading. Implementation, sir. Next, ratings I don't want. Only features I want to display it. So LI close. Again LI open, LI close. So points ready. Almost 6 points available. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 numbers are comes. But for this heading, I need underline, sir. Mobile number, sorry, mobile name. They are not using any underlines, but I interested to use the underline. Possible? How you? So open the U tag here, and here also heading with underline. So now this is the final output. Name of the model, some space gap, because points displaying out one tab gap is comes automatically, and after that it displaying all your 6 features with the 6 numberings. Next one, 1, 2, 3 number I don't want, sir. I need some other numbering. Yes, sir, possible. That's not a problem. Just copy pasting the same program. Otherwise, you can take other mobile. That is not a problem. Xiaomi 13i 7G. So RAM, sir, 512 GB RAM. Future are they compulsory. 2 GB change it to 4, 4 change it to 8, now 8 change it to 12, 16. And next year that 32. Next year, what do you do? Maybe your marriage time it becomes 256 also. Common thing. So day to day, their capabilities and capacities increasing. But 7G, sir, 7G also comes slowly. Maybe your kids' time. Your kids' time. But now two list I'm going to preparing here, sir. This is the two list. First I am introducing one more new tag also here. From the first features to second features. And the first mobile feature, second mobile feature. Can I draw one line horizontally, sir, dividing purpose? Yes, sir. For that we have one predefined tag HR. I just want to draw the line dividing of that mobile and this mobile. So for that HR tag is available. Simple tag like as BR. BR means break line. HR means horizontal row. Nothing but done it drawing the line horizontally. How much lines are? Left edge to right edge. Left edge to right edge. Full line it is going to drawing. I'll write comments, sir. No problem. With which color, sir? Gray and black color combination. With gray and black color combination. Check it once. There we have one line. A color I don't like, sir. CSS. Colors concept is there, no? Go to the CSS colors, apply the color, you will get the requested color. No problem. Why you use it suddenly, sir? Nothing else, sir. Two different models kada. LOC, line of Kargil. Simple thing. Updated mobile anamata. Now what I'm introducing here, sir, how to change the numberings. So for that we have one of the attributes, sir, type. Which type of numbering you require. So type attribute is there. 5 types available. Which type you require, just type it. How to write that, sir? A first letter you can write it, sir. Which type of series you are expecting? A series first letter is there, na? Just write that one. I need numbering, sir. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 is going on. So of course it's a default, sir. The default already 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Next, capital A, ABCDF. Small a, sir. Small ABCDF. Small I, small Roman numbers. Capital I, capital Roman numbers. 5 types over. Which one you likes? Follow that one. Next, back to 1. Second attribute I'm going to introducing here. What is second attribute, sir? The numbering starts from 1, right? 5 series, so what is the first number? A series starting number. 1, A, small I, capital I. But I want to start the number from 101, sir. 1, 2, 3 numbering only required, but starting number should be 101. Any possibility is there, sir? Yes, sir, 100% is possible. Another attribute, start. 101. First one, which type of numbering you are expecting? Second one, from where you want to start the numbering. I want to start from 101. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Otherwise, your lucky number available kada? You can start from your lucky number. No problem. Which number? 28. Which number you given, that is taking as a starting number, there onward series continues. So is it supported numbers only or alphabets also now? This type of thing? Alphabets also. Alphabets numbering possible. Huh? But no problem, sir. Alphabets also supports. All 5 numbers supported this concept. All 5 series supported this concept. There is no problem. See that A. I'm giving some 10, sir. It starts from 10th alphabet. What is 10th? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. J. Starting from J. Next, I have one small doubt here, sir. We have luckily 6 points. So 6 alphabets available. But my total number of points is 30, sir. I'm asking to show the numbers in alphabets format. 30 alphabets are there? No. But what about the numbering? 30 points. I want to display with ABCD alphabet series. But 30 alphabets not available. Up to Z, 26 points completed. But last 4 points, what is? Well, again repeating ABCD. What is the wrong numbering? A1, A2. Very simple, sir. Mana bike registration numbers available, vehicles. A TS09. A series completed. Next. B completed. C. Z also completed, sir. Next series. AA. AB, AZ completed, sir. Next. BA, BZ, CA, CZ, DA, DZ. Same series continues here. So see that. Start with, sir, 27. AA to AZ. The 26 also completed, sir. BA series continues. 53. These 26, sir. C. But like that, ZA to ZZ completed, sir. Next. AA, A. AA, B. AA, C. And that alphabet series continues. Our system following that one internally, we have guidelines, so we don't need to worry about this. So we can give the starting number for any 5 series. There's no problem. Next one. Reverse option is available, one option. Another attribute, reverse. But all series you observe now, ascending order it will continues. Ascending order, lower to higher. But I need higher to lower, sir. The descending order I required. Possible. Reversed one attribute is there, sir. Another attribute name is reversed. It producing the serial numbers, so either numbers or alphabets in descending order. 1 to 5 changing to 5 to 1. A to Z changing to Z to A. Simple. But what about the points, sir? Points also changing up? No. Points fixedly available in the same position. Just numbering only changing. Starts with the 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alphabets possible, sir. Why not? All 5 series supported. F, E, D, C, A, B. Roman numbers also supported. But a special option is there. If you are interested, use it. That's not a problem. So we can write any starting number. We can write which type of series you are expecting. That series also we can write. So 52 and reversed. All 3 I combined. Individually discussed and completed. So mixing. But what is the series? AZ, AY, AX, AW, such name, UV, W, AV. And suddenly if you ask alphabets doesn't comes. We have to start from beginning. Normally they continues to AZ, BA, B's and upward down, but we use a reversed option, so downward falling. These are the additional options available in VOL tag. What type of series you required, from where you want to start it, and in which order. If you are not given anything, sir, they continues with the default settings in the regular pattern. So first list I designed without any special settings, and second list we designed with some additional settings. Next one. Again, I need one line, sir. HR. Once again. One more list I am going to preparing here. So every list after line printing. What is the one more list, sir? Nested list. A simple list, sir. First one, second one, both are the simple list. Now I want to prepare the nested list, sir. Nested list and in the sense topic, subtopics, chapter, subtopics, chapter 1, subtopics, chapter 2, subtopics, chapter 3, subtopics. You got a chapters serial number available, subtopics serial number available. But everybody, they are maintaining their own serial numbers. That is called as nested list. Possible as sir, VOL tag inside another VOL tag we are using. One VOL tag inside another VOL tag we are going to using. So this is VOL. VOL inside LI common. First chapters list we have to print out. Get a chapter list is comes. First chapter, second chapter, and third chapter like this. But go to every chapter individual. Where is the chapters are here? Chapter 1. Go to here. Take the gap. Start the VOL tag again. Now, is second VOL tag available under the first LI tag. A second VOL tag, it's available and placed under the first VOL tag. So this becomes as a sublist of this main list. But what about this list, sir? This list, they have their own Now observe the code carefully. This is one list. This total list I placed inside another list. So this type of thing is called as the nested list. We can prepare this type of nested list any deep, sir. Any much deep you can go. They put subtopics inside. Again, I have some more subtopics, sir. Again, you can start here. VOL. How many deeply we can go for, sir? How many levels, sir? No objection, sir. Your interest, your program demanding. System-wise, there is no restrictions for that one. Now, what I'm going to designing here, our mobiles or our bikes or our cars. Best suitable example. Otherwise, your colleges. University name, affiliated colleges list. University name, affiliated colleges list. But university's name, main list. Colleges list, sub. That is one option. Otherwise, sir, mobile company name, list of models. Second mobile company name, list of models. Samsung, list of models. MI, list of models. Vivo, list of models. Same way your bikes, cars also. So Maruti Suzuki, list of models. Hyundai, list of models. Ford, list of models. Tata, list of models. Like, well, so many examples are there for preparing of the nested list. Why we'll go for somewhere, sir? Your academics textbooks index page also is there. A textbooks index page, if you go for, this is only visible generally. So many live situations. But finally, what to do, sir? What to do? Mobiles, huh? Mobiles or cars or bikes, so you can take something like that. H3 once again. List of models. Which models, sir? Well, a misunderstanding. Mobiles models. So Samsung, you can go for some Vivo. Okay, 2 items I'm showing, sir, for understanding. But 2 items, if you know how to write it, 200 items also you can write. Or can I run up to this one, sir? Why not? So after Samsung, take the break and list out all the Samsung models names. Break ante this is meaning. OL. OL. Take LI. So S20. LI close. S21 or S20 plus. S20 Pro. Recently same type of models S22 also released. So S22, S22, S22. Check it once. Main list to sub list and neatly maintaining the gap also. Browser producing that gap, not my personally. The browser's internal instruction. Model name only displaying, sir. Opposite you can write price also. If you are interested, write opposite the price also. So rupees S20 kada or 40,000. Rupees 50,000. Rupees 60,000. Rough prices, not accurate prices. 60,000. Rupees 80,000. Rupees 1 lakh. Same thing for Vivo. Same thing for Vivo. Just copy paste, change the names under the Vivo. List out some Vivo names. Vivo X60. X60 Pro na. Pro. X70 got released here. X70. X70 Pro. Next. Either Y20 or Y22 or something available. Y22. Next. Enough. A 40, a 50, a 50, a 60, a 20. Outline ready. 2 models with a list of prices. But now what I want to do, sir? Main list to sub list to both coming with the same serial number. 100% not correct way in anywhere in programming. Main list numbering should be differ. Sub list numbering should be differ. Compulsory, sir. A basic guidelines. So what to do, sir? Main list 1, 2, 3 I required, sir. Continue that one. Sub list models change it. Type equals to which one? ANR Roman numbers, sir. Roman, small Roman numbers. Because sub list together generally lower letters preferable. Same thing for the second sub list also. Now numbering style changed first of all. Next, we know colors already, but I want to implement the colors on this one, sir. Main list with one color required, sub list all with one color. The company names one color, models names one color required. Possible, sir. CSS we can apply it. The main list, go for here. Style, color. Which color? Blue, okay. The main list color. Actually main list, but bad luck it is applying for all. We'll modify it, wait. The main list I applied the colors. This is sublist. Main list color is automatically impacted to internal sublist also. But what to do, sir? Sublist, if you are expecting any different color, write the sublist's color separately here. Mention the sublist color separately. Which colors are? Red I required, suppose. Same thing, follow the second one also. Second sublist. But now main list colors, sublist colors changing like this. As per our requirement, we can produce it, no problem. Otherwise, another option is there. Company name, company models, one color. And every company separate color. Name plus models. Samsung, all models blue color. Vivo name, Vivo models red color. MI models green color. That also available. But CSS position changing. But color implementation available. This color implementation point changing. That also we can change. Not a problem. This is about the order list, sir. With some options plus with some CSS, simple list and nested list, both points we discussed here. Next, same way, we can also go for the unordered list. This much of explanation not required for unordered list, sir. Same explanations, same syntaxes, same points, only one change. OL replaced with UL. That's all. OL replaced with UL. Rest of all the things copy paste. Explanation copy paste, matter also copy paste. Program also copy paste. Just 5 minutes. And this one so much of times there. First one, second one almost matching points. I'll give the clues here. See that OL just completed. This OL replacing with UL. UL full form unordered list. Nothing but then bullets. Symbols comes. Instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 numbering, symbols are coming. How many numbers it is supported, sir? 1, A, I, and I. How many symbols it is supported, sir? Only 3 symbols are supported. Dot, circle, square. Only 3 symbols. But in Flipkart, we saw variety symbols, sir. That is total CSS effect. HTML supported basically 3 symbols, dot, circle, square. If you need any variety symbols, go for CSS. CSS providing additional features than the HTML. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the default, sir? 1. In this dot, circle, and square, what is the default, sir? Dot. That is the difference. Rest of all copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. Points, syntaxes, rules, guidelines, everything. Copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. But now program designing easy, that much of time not required. Copy paste the same program. Wo replace with you. We can close the dukan also. No problem. Data also I'm not going to changing, sir. Same data I'm going to taking. The middle part I'm removing. A second list is there, this I'm deleting. Reason, dots lo starting dot available. Dots lo reverse available. And the dots reversely printing, normally printing possible. No. So e point missing, sir. We don't need this one. Just delete it. So comes to this one. Change the heading. O replaced with U. O replaced with U. That's all. Up to that, we'll run the code. You will also get an idea. See that. Flipkart, what we observed, exactly the same thing on now. A mobile opposite features explained, same thing. A dot I don't want, sir. We have two more symbols, circle and square. So type equals to circle. Same as, sir, internally without filling color it will comes. That is nothing but a circle. Dot with the filling color, circle without filling color. Square. Next one, square. Square shape is comes. Three shapes over. Dot, circle, square. Now we don't have any much more options here, sir. But what about the nested list, sir? Nested list also comes. Nested list is there already. All OLs replaced with UL. Everything, don't forget anything. All OLs replaced with ULs. What about the type, sir? Type we don't want, sir. Just remove the type. Reason, sir. In an order list, we have one special benefit. Main list, sub list automatically will get with the different symbols. Main list one symbol, sub list another symbol, automatically system producing. But in previous case, main and sub both comes in the same symbol. Some work is reducing for us, sir. Main list with the dot, sub list with the circle. But observe the source code. I'm not asking like that anyway. Automatically browser understanding our feeling, so producing output. This is an order list. Previous one is order list. Okay, balancings we'll see in tomorrow session. Thank you all.